Hello friends, I am Rahul Davande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in last video we completed practice set 5.1 of chapter 5 expansion formulae. And in that video we studied the expansion of x plus a first bracket, x plus b second bracket, expansion of that x plus a, x plus b. Now here in this video we are going to study expansion of a plus b bracket cube and examples based on this. Okay, now let's see first derivation of expansion, how to derive formula. Now here is given a plus b bracket cube. Now bracket cube means we can write the formula 3 times. We write this formula 3 times. A plus b, a plus b, a plus b, 3 times. Now keep one bracket as it is, a plus b, and product of these two brackets. Product means, now here as this bracket is 2 times, that's why square. So we can write it as a plus b bracket square is equal to, now a plus b first bracket keep as it is and expand this formula. Expand this. You know the expansion of this formula. A plus b bracket square. Expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. First term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. And now we have to solve this as binomial by trinomial. Means term by term we have to multiply. First by 1 2 whole bracket, a multiplied by in bracket whole bracket. Second, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a multiplied by second whole bracket. And now by second term of first bracket means plus b multiplied by again second bracket whole bracket, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to, now multiply by a to all these and plus multiply by b to all these terms. One by one, a into a cube plus a into 2ab 2a square b plus a into b square ab square. We multiplied by a to each term of this bracket plus, now here also same, b into a square b. We can write terms here and there in sequence plus b into 2ab 2ab square, b is 2 times b square plus b into b square b cube. Here we see like terms, which are like terms. 2a square b like a cube plus, now addition of these two like terms, 2a square b plus 1a square b 3a square b. Here this is like ab square 2ab square, here also plus 3ab square plus b cube as it is equal to, now you see here 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the expansion of this a plus b bracket cube. Or if you want to do one more step here, we can take common a cube plus, now what is common in them you see? 3 is here means 3 common. A is here, a common. B is here, b common. 3ab common. If we write 3ab common, then in bracket what is left? 3 common is taken from here, 1a is out, 1a in, b is out already, plus 3 common out, 3a common out, from b square 1b is out, 1b here, plus b cube. And this also you can write as the expansion. It's both you can apply. Let's start practice at 5.2 based on this expansion. Expand. Example number 1 is k plus 4 bracket cube. Now here In general, you can memorize the formula. Now here is first term, second term. Okay, here I write, you see, first term plus second term bracket cube. In generally you can memorize this formula by this way. Now first term cube plus 3 multiplied by first term square into second term, first term square into second term, plus 3 multiplied by, now first term as it is multiplied by second term square, see, and plus second term cube. In this way you can remember the formula. Now first term here, second term here. First term cube means k cube plus 3 multiplied by first term square means k square multiplied by second term 4 plus, now this part 3 multiplied by first term as it is k multiplied by second term square, second term is 4 square plus second term cube is 4 cube. See, I wrote in this form. Here you see, first term cube k cube plus 3 into first term square k square into second term 4 plus 3 first term k plus second term square k square plus second term cube 4 cube. Now solve this. K cube plus, now here this is first group, this is second group, 4 3s are 12 k square plus, now here is 4 square, we have to solve this first. 3 multiplied by k multiplied by 4 square 16. Now this part is still left to solve. Plus 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Now one more step. K cube plus 12k square plus product here now. 16 3s are 48. 48k plus 64, and now this is expansion of this, it is solved now. Now let's see example number 2. 7x plus 8y bracket cube. Now expansion of this, first term 7x bracket cube plus 3 multiplied by square of first term 7x bracket square multiplied by second term 8y plus 3 multiplied by first term as it is multiplied by second term square 8y cube plus 8y square plus second term cube 8y bracket cube. Now let's solve bracket. 7 cube, 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are 9 7s are 63, 6 carried over, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 6 34, 343, x cube plus 3 multiplied by square of 7x 49x square multiplied by 8y as it is plus 3 multiplied by 7x as it is square of 8y, 8 8s are 64 y square plus cube of 8, 8 8s are 64, 64 8s are again 8 4s are 32, 3 carried over, 8 6s are 48, 48 plus 3 51, 512, cube of y cube is equal to 343 x cube plus, now product we want, product of these three numbers, 49 3s are Now 49 3s are 9 3s are 27, 2 carried over, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 147 multiplied by 8 again, 8 7s are 56, 5 carried over, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 5 37, 3 carried over, 8 1s are 8 plus 3 11, 1176 x square y, here x square into y, plus now product here 7 3s are 21, 21 into 64. Let's solve this. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 4 8 plus 6 14, 1 carried over 13, 1 3 4 4 x y square, x into this y square, plus 512 y cube, and this is the expansion of 7x plus 8y bracket cube. Example number 3, it is very easy. 7 plus m bracket cube. First term 7, second term m. First term cube 7 cube plus 3 multiplied by first term square 7 square multiplied by second term m plus 3 multiplied by first term as it is 7 as it is multiplied by square of second term m square plus second term cube is m cube. Now solve it. 7 cube 49, just now we solved here. 7 cube 49 7s are plus 3 multiplied by 49 into m plus 3 into 7 into m square plus m cube. One more step, 343 plus product here 49 3s are 147 m plus 7 3s are 21 m square plus m cube. Expansion of 7 plus m bracket cube is 343 plus 147 m plus 21 m square plus m cube. Now let's see example number 4. In example number 4 only one number is given, single number 52 bracket cube. But for the expansion we want two terms. Therefore we have to expand 52 as 50 plus 2 bracket cube. Now here first term is 50, second term is 2. And now use this formula for these two terms. First term cube 50 cube plus 3 multiplied by first term square 50 square into second term as it is 2 as it is plus 3 multiplied by now first term as it is here first term as it is 50 as it is multiplied by second term square 2 square plus second term cube 2 cube. Now let's solve this. 50 cube of 5 5 5s are 25 25 5s are 125 and here 10 cube 3 zeros 1 2 3 zeros plus product of this 3 multiplied by square of 50 5 5s are 25 and 2 zeros multiplied by 2 product we will do in next step plus 3 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 2 square 4 product in next step plus cube of 2 2 are 4 4 2 are 8. Now 125,000 as it is 1,25,000 plus now product here 50 25 2s are 50 3s are 150 and 2 zeros here plus here also 5 4s are 20, 20 3s are 60, and this 1 0 plus 8 is equal to, now addition of all these, and do very carefully, because if we write digits here and there, last answer will be wrong. Okay, now vertically you can do, if any problem you have of like this, vertically you can do in rough. Vertically addition, here 8, here 0, here 6, here 5 plus 5 10, 4, and here 1. This is the 1 4 0 6 0 8. Example number 5, 101 bracket cube. Again we have to expand this number. We write 101 as 100 plus 1 bracket cube is equal to, now use this formula for these two terms. First term 100 cube plus 3 multiplied by first term square is 100 square multiplied by second term as it is, second term is 1, plus 3 multiplied by first term as it is 100 into second term square 1 square plus second term cube 1 cube. Now 100 cube 1 cube 1, how many zeros here? 2 zeros. Here are 2 zeros, 2 3s are 6, 6 zeros we have to put here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, plus 3 multiplied by 100 square, now square of 1 1, here 2 zeros, 2 2s are 4, 4 zeros you have to put, 1 2 3 4 multiplied by 1, plus 3 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 1 square 1 plus 1 cube also 1 is equal to, here 10 lakh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, plus here product, here 10,000 into 3 30,000 into 1 30,000, plus product of here 100 3s are 300, 300 ones are 300, plus 1 as it is. And now addition, addition you see, unit place 1, start addition from right side, unit place 1, 100 place 0, tens place 0, 100 place 3, then 1000 place 0, 10,000 place 3, here 0 and here 1, 10 lakh 30,301. Cube of 101 is 10 lakh 30,301. Example number 6. First term is x. First term cube x cube plus 3 multiplied by first term square x square multiplied by second term as it is. Second term is 1 upon x plus 3 multiplied by first term as it is. Second term square 1 upon x bracket square plus second term cube 1 upon x bracket cube is equal to x cube plus 3 multiplied by, now here this square, from square 1x and from here denominator x cancel, only x is left, plus 3 multiplied by x multiplied by here 1 upon x square of this 1 upon x square plus here cube 1 upon x cube is equal to x cube plus, now here 3x plus, now here from here also this x cancel and from square 1x cancel, 3 multiplied by 1 3 upon x is here plus 1 upon x cube last term as it is, and this is the expansion of x plus 1 upon x bracket cube. Now example number 7, first term is 2m, second term is 1 upon 5, first term cube 2m bracket cube plus 3 multiplied by square of first term 2m bracket square multiplied by second term as it is 1 upon 5 as it is plus 3 multiplied by first term as it is 2m as it is multiplied by square of second 1 upon 5 bracket square plus cube of second term 1 upon 5 bracket cube is equal to now 2 cube 8 cube of m cube plus 3 multiplied by square of 2m 4m square into 1 upon 5 plus 3 multiplied by 2m multiplied by square of 1 upon 5 1 upon 25 plus cube of 1 upon 5 1 upon 125 is equal to 8m cube plus now product 4 3 are 12 12 1 are 12 12m square upon 5 plus 3 2 are 6 6 1 are 6 m upon 25 plus 1 upon 125 and this is the expansion of 2m plus 1 upon 5 bracket cube. Let's see example number 8. Both terms are in fraction. First term 5x upon y bracket cube plus 3 multiplied by square of first term 5x upon y bracket square multiplied by second term y upon 5x plus 3 multiplied by first as it is 5x upon y multiplied by second term square y upon 5x bracket square plus second term cube y upon 5x bracket cube is equal to now let's solve it 5x bracket cube 5 square 5 cube 125 x cube upon y cube separately plus 3 multiplied by square of 5x 25x square upon y square multiplied by y upon 5x plus 3 multiplied by 5x upon y multiplied by square of y square upon square of 5x 25x square plus cube of y cube upon cube of y 5x 125x cube. Now reduction we have to do. Now let's see here first as it is 125x cube upon y cube as it is plus now here you see this y and this from y square y cancel from here this x and this x square x cancel 5 1s are 5 5 5s are 20 reduction here. Now write what is left 5 3s are 15 x is here upon and here is y plus here also do reduction this y cancel from square y cancel get x cancel from square 1 x cancel 5 1s are 5 5 5s are 25 3y upon 5x plus last term y cube upon 125x cube and this is the expansion of 5x upon y plus y upon 5x bracket cube.